Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Cecilia, the head of sales and marketing at Salzburg Holdings Limited, a printing and branding company based in Westlands, Nairobi, Kenya, New Waumini House, first floor. In case you'd like to know what we do in detail, the clients we've worked with, projects we've worked on, I'm going to leave our website down below where you can click and see what we do. And our emails, our contacts are also on our website, so we look forward to hearing from you. Today I'm going to talk about our progress on YouTube. We have consistently put up content from January 2018, at least once a week. And we started our channel last year, and we were consistent for 3-4 months, then stopped because of various things. And this year, one of the goals was to be consistent on YouTube. So let me run you through our channel overview. The company's YouTube channel is called Branding Startups. We have 9 subscribers. We have 824 views as of today, which is 26th of March. We have 0 to 12 views. I'm looking at the views as of January. Our first video of January 2018 had 12 views. The video we put up last week has 0 views. So our views range per day, or per video, sorry. Our views per video is 0 to 12 views. And what our focus is printing and branding, and our content is educational. We get a lot of questions in regards to printing and branding, and we thought having a having a YouTube channel would allow us to answer some of the questions that we get from clients on a daily basis. So that's the focus of our YouTube channel. So let's start with some of the things that I am currently happy with. Number one, as of I think 2 months ago, I was able to learn how to come up with interesting thumbnails. That was a big challenge for me. And I know thumbnails play a very big role in attracting people to our videos, so I really had to work and learn how to do that. So as of the video about stylish and comfortable shoes for marketers, to the video that we put up last week, I'm really happy with the thumbnails that we have. Let me zoom in. I don't know if you can see, but I'm really happy with thumbnails. If you go to our YouTube channel, which this video will be on, you can see that the thumbnails are a bit better compared to the first video I put up in January, and maybe some videos before that. Before that, I just used to pick the suggestions that's given at the bottom. Once you upload a video, there are some suggestions they give you. I just used to pick one and work with that. But now I have learned better, and I can create a thumbnail. So yay me. What else do I like about our channel? I'm not very mad about the subscribers and the views. It's not a bad thing. Oh, there's no internet. I'm not very mad with the subscribers that we have. We have 9 subscribers. I know these 3. The other 6, I do not know who they are, which is okay. And yeah, what else do I like? Let me see. I like that we've been consistent, that at least once a week we always put up a video. It is not easy because I had to learn how to use Adobe Premier Pro and how to be comfortable in front of a camera and how to hear myself speak and be able to put that up on our YouTube channel. Considering that I have other duties that I do during the day, I am proud that at least I've been able to consistently put up content at least once a week. So those are the 3 things that I'm really happy about. Things that I would like to change. Number 1 would be this thumbnail, this picture, the banner picture here for the channel. I'm not mad at it, to be honest, but I've been thinking about changing it, but I do not know what to change it to. And that's usually a challenge I think many people face. I'm okay with it right now because it basically states what we do or what we talk about. But that is something that I need to change When I'll change it, I'm not sure, but for the time being, this is how it is. And yeah. The other thing I'd like to change is the channel name, which is Branding Startups. To be honest, I've changed our name, I think, twice before, and I think YouTube allows you to change your name 3 times or 4 times, I'm not sure. After that, you cannot change the name before, but I'm thinking about changing the name to what it was previously, which was Print FAQs, that is Frequently Asked Questions, because we try and answer as many, or answer your questions in regards to printing and branding. For example, how do I put up, how to set up a media banner? We did a video about how to set up a media banner, and it shows a step-by-step process of how we did it. And yeah, I think if you had a media banner and you don't know what to do, we would find this video would help you. Another thing that I should mention is that when we started our channel, we have a Gmail account, but our YouTube channel is not on that Gmail account. I opened a new Gmail account to set up the YouTube channel. Why? Because at the time, I thought that I'll get a lot of emails from YouTube and updates, and most of the time those things can fill up an email, and we still have clients who sometimes send us emails via Gmail, and I was afraid of losing an important email in the midst of emails that are just updates and things like that. What would I, in terms of the things that I struggle with when it comes to YouTube, is number one, how to make content interesting. For us, we do printing and branding. It's a service that we offer to, if you're a procurement manager or a marketing manager, you'd be interested in our services. So our target group is very specific. And the challenge I face every day is how I can target those people and how I can put up content that they like or they find interesting. And my second greatest challenge is there, I always ask myself, is there a different way in which I can share what we do? In terms of the video, is there a different way I can shoot? Is there a different way I can talk, maybe present what we do? And yeah, that's a question I ask myself every time I upload a video and look at it and ask, and I'm always like, if I did not know about Salzburg, is this a video I would watch? And I think that will be a struggle until the time I figure it out. And I think if you're starting a YouTube channel, I know there's nothing new under the sun, but you are unique in your own way, and I'm sure you can always find your way of telling a story. Something I've learned from YouTube is that it's about storytelling. What you share is storytelling. So how are you best telling your story about your brand or your company or what you do, or sharing your talents? How best are you storytelling? And the next thing is, along the way, as you will not learn everything at once when it comes to YouTube. It's very diverse, but things that I've learned, or like yesterday, I was able to look at our channel through a friend's phone, and I noticed that the liked playlist was like when you go to the home page. I've already changed that. When you go to the home page, you notice that the first thing here on the playlist was the liked videos that I've liked, other people's videos that I've liked. Then our playlists come after, because if someone was new to our channel, they would not see what we put up. They'd see the videos that I like. So I had to know how to change it, which was, I went to library. If you see at the drop down, you're going to see liked videos. I don't know if it's possible to remove that whole playlist as a whole. I'm not sure, but what I did was just delete all the videos in the liked playlist, and currently when I go to my home page, it doesn't show. The liked playlist section doesn't show, so I'm okay with that. At least the first thing people can see is large format printing and our thumbnails. Another thing that I learned was that when I looked at other people's channels, I could see the upload section, and I was like, how do you put up the upload section? So I noticed there's this other section. So when you drop down, you'll see popular uploads. So that's how like your popular videos show up first. So you can just click and voila, this upload section came up, and I'm happy with it. So I'll still, in the evening when I'm at home, I'll still look at our YouTube channel from someone else's machine or someone else's phone to see how the channel looks from someone else's perspective. I think it's always it's very important to do that. If you have a social media page, always try and put yourself in the client's shoe. If someone was to stumble on your page, what would they see? What would they like? How would they see it? Would they like what they see? Simple. Yeah. So put yourself in that position so that it enables you to make the necessary changes. When I started YouTube, or when I was thinking about starting our YouTube channel, which was last year, one of the channels that really helped me was this channel called Video Influencers, and it's by Benji and Sean, and it talks about YouTube. Actually, their theme is interviews and training videos to help you build your influence, income, and impact with YouTube and online videos. So they teach you everything about YouTube that you need to know. So you see, some of the things they have is starting from scratch, how to come up with a YouTube name. They basically are A to Z of YouTube and things that you need to know, especially if you're new to YouTube or starting on YouTube. They also do interviews with YouTubers. They range from interviews with very big YouTubers to people who are maybe under 100,000 subscribers, which is great. And you learn so much. How to make money with a small channel, quick and easy custom thumbnails, how to build your brand and think bigger. This, if you're thinking of starting in YouTube, or you're trying to figure your way around YouTube, this channel, Video Influencers, helped me with everything, like taught me everything that I know in terms of YouTube. They're very good. Their videos are very interesting. Some of their videos are very long, especially their live videos, but you learn a lot. I don't know if I mentioned this, but I shoot our videos and edit our videos. So another channel that really helped me with understanding Adobe Premier Pro was a channel called, let me see, Justin Odisho. He does this. He talks about Adobe Premier Pro and anything that you need to know about Adobe. I like him because his videos are so simple. They are straight to the point. They are easy to understand. They are easy to follow. And let me tell you, if you're trying to learn something on YouTube, you do not want to see a 1-hour video, because you get bored, you lose track, you get lost. I love Justin Odisho. Like, even if you want to learn basic effects, for me, I'm not a pro in Adobe. I just want like small things to help me improve the video. He has all that. Adobe After Effects tutorials, Adobe Photoshop tutorials. I find his videos very helpful. Actually, everything that I know about Adobe, I learned from him. So I hope you found this video helpful. I look forward to your feedback. Remember to subscribe. We are 1 person away from 10 subscribers. So yes, yay, 10 subscribers. But yeah, thank you, and I hope to see you guys next week. And happy Easter. Stay safe, drive safe, and enjoy your long holiday.